to do the things they say I am doing. Yeah, bye. Mommy didn't quit it. And yes, I may drop you one bomb. You man, dropping this here. Yeah, bye. Please, oh, those of you are interested in following that YouTube channel, when you go ask, say, about the same, na ya baya, Chinese 40 oka. Na, would you cram my edda? Would you cram my edda? You flew all the way to Kumasi to go and have sex with a dog. I am not lying. Onu na ya odi atwe nyama ni nyama ebo nkrofodia. Ombugodia. And I also said she never ever slept with a dog for money. For money. Okay. My carry. Yeah, bye. As I say, me ba me bani papa ye Castro. Castro ye ni ponya dog. Ain't me pe. Pa. But see, she keeps contradicting herself. That shit is. You said my son doesn't have a father. Then you said, say, I was a min kamanum to Then again, you said Castro is the father of my child. So which is which? Why can't you just be consistent with all your lies? At least Castro or nipa onya kramai. Onya kramai. And I'm a banner me papa na me wono. I'm not ashamed. Say Castro na nyi semia. And coming back, I meet me a year because me pay. Me ye juman so, me work as well. And then yes, Abia, me miss a car, me the baby being tenor. I come as soon as like all this shit doesn't even make sense. Why am I even explaining myself? Me Bejamuako. How many times do you want to polish? Oba. By the time you are done, the cameraman too is gone now. Titi mini has say na koso. Maybe I chose sponsors Ben Wanya for more program. Can a man saying that say age my announce Catobingo for cry and your my age man down wire? Travel and to I Pasiwa. No, yeah, by your back and alcohol. This is your super you. He's now coming. Hey. 3 o'clock. 10 now, can I say we'll start to shoot? 3 o'clock. Yo, guys, I gotta go, eh? It's time to work. Name mom send I'm D can you rent cameras. Ebi near. Ebi soon the second more. See 300 and a beast. Aha. Ye were osmo, and so will go pro cameras. Ya buy a Jimmy for the debut. Dear, they be our become crow for us. Many are punching now cry, me pema dear. Me woo and me woo are you are crying, come up bottom, my dear. Me property. Leave my son and I alone. Me panus why I sank a cry, and come in the tapolu betum archery, and to still on bound for so. Thank you for telling the world that Castro is the father of my child. Now my son has a father. So leave me alone. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, just pay YouTube. They will promote your channel with good content, and then you have followers. Men can fast screenshot to be and man to one country and also be more YouTube. They should follow. Like how cheap can you be? Kwasiaba unkwa na ultimate Jessica na oni kramainda unye ni babu abi to sell. Foolish girl. This is what I was avoiding. Now you're pushing me to say all this shit. So you ask her. On one of them say what we are cantam. On the boat we are cantam said, "Yami came bois." So we'll be into Yanesika. I'm on for cramai and dada. Now me nipa na edi me na wanye me na ma nipa. What's your what's your beef? Guys, I'm working. I gotta go. Bye. Nana Kwame, get out and don't come back. Please. And if you are ready to eat, tell her to give you fried yam. I guess if the reason So this is what I do for money. I don't sleep with no dog, and I don't sleep with no sugar daddy. My man is an old man. Yes, he is. It's my choice. I don't know. I don't sleep with no fucking Tom, Dick, and Harry for no money. I work my ass off. This is Mzbel Media. We produce a health program. Tobinko toy, Yesika Papa na Tobinko Pharmaceuticals. Editor, young content. We're building another content. And there's a travel and tour that wants to sponsor. And Vodafone once used to sponsor my Bell in the City. See, I assistant here in the Mzbel Daily. That one too is coming soon. So I work. I'm a production addict. I don't told them if I'm okay. Now say na me be a choba, mama soon na. I then choba a crime. A crime. Ejuma kitu ya mabie na otete sa. Hey, it's just a small pub. Leave me alone. It's not a shopping mall. And your shopping mall na me be na otete mo sa. Foolish girl. One no say bozo bazaar. Una hey, Muko chucha pictures. Me, I'll go and sleep. Oh, na mother na muncha wa inside. I want to see a wall in who I hear some waving na muncha pictures. Muncha wa inside there.
Oh my, Baba, they're a personal person.
My friend, me say my must set up. Then you leave me. Me today is supposed to be my holiday, my day off. Mzbel Media, and please, anytime you enter, close the door. There is air conditioning running. Hey, Yehovah. You turn on fan. You turn on air condition. 2 fans and air condition at the same time. Yeah, Juma, I'm out for. Anytime, the transfer. So now Yaka said they should come and follow us on YouTube. We don't do that shit. We work, we hustle. Just na mijina raise your cramming movie. Me here Juma. Me need time for crab. See? This is what I do. I'm at Balance from Wednesday to Sunday. I'm here at Mzbel Media from Monday and Tuesday. See, I don't win to me on my day. We work. Camera here, see, if you're a cinematographer or a film person, you know it is C300. Nibwarding. You can Google it, C300. May they rent it. May they rent here a day, 1,002. So I'll be renting like for more than 1 day. I better call from 1,000 or whatever it is. Jerry, bring me more customers, eh? I see, ma. So we are working. This is Mzbel Media. We don't play. These are their makeup artists, and these are the presenters. Presenter here, you share yellow. No, manager. I will Mzbel Media. Necessary get. Or do one cracker a day, cream crackers back, and I OD a day to keep. You want to lose weight? Hey, oh boy, you cutie now. And some of us, you want to disappear or what?
You make ready. Yeah. I'm glad to see what you need to say. Not there for questions.
Monya na mense. Do I have to be here throughout? me jina enye mo pressure enda mo so a me ti ana se pressure enda mo so dia. Because you know me. Yo, I'm da mo ase why. I'm make up no see you on flake. Adipa, when they start shooting, you can't go out. You can't get in their way.
This time is a famous.
Hello, hi.
This is Beeline Media. Thank you guys. I have to log off so that I can concentrate. So I work for all my money.